So yummy. Quite good. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Somi. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. And yes, let's get moving. So today what I want to do is I am preparing some bhajia and I want to prepare it with you. I just want to show you how I do prepare my bhajias, or some of them may know how to prepare bhajias, some may not really know how to make bhajias. But anyway, let's just get into this and let's see what is basically needed. So you need waru, obvious, this is the main ingredient. You can't make bhajia without waru. Then I have some garlic here. I have some coriander and I have some baking flour. This is what I'm gonna use. And basically those are the items that are needed when you want to make bhajias. So first of all, let's get started, and I'm just going to start by peeling my warus, which will take some time, but it's okay. So this is where I'm going to place my warus, and this is where I'm going to place the peels from the warus. So let's get started. To hurry up so that I don't take too much time here, because this can take, and I don't have a lot of warus, just a few of them. How many are they? 5, 7. I just have 7 warus, but they are so big, which means I'll get a lot of bhajias from them. You know, when you eat bhajia, there's that bhajias are so nice, and I used to wonder how bhajias are made. Well, when I was younger, not anymore, but it's so easy. Just need to know what you're doing. And guys, if you're out there and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. There's something that is really irritating me right now in the country. There's so many killings of young men. I don't know why. By the police, by the common mwananchi. I really don't know what is happening. Guys, what do you think about it? You know, like this thing, today it can be another person, and tomorrow it may actually be somebody close to you, or even you. So what can we really do to change this situation right now? Because I'm not liking it at all, at all, at all. Can you imagine losing two children? 2 children. Because a while ago, I think a week ago, 2 brothers were killed by the police. Killed by the police, and there is no explanations to death. There is no explanations. And then today I read somewhere, it's trending all over the country. 4 young men have been killed, and 2 of them are brothers. What is really happening, people? I'm just wondering where this country is heading, but it's not a good picture. It's not a good picture, especially for the youth. And I hear the 4 men who were killed, they had dreads. They were just caught up in a messy situation at night, and people suspected them of being thieves. People, where did calling the police go wrong? or perhaps people don't trust the police anymore. So you just get somebody, suspect somebody without even any proof, and you go ahead and kill these people. Anyway, let's just, I don't know, we need prayers, because people are sick out here. People are really sick out here. So that's why I don't even watch news nowadays, because you can be watching news, one has killed this one, another one has killed this one, oh, the police has done that. So it's just sad, and adding trauma to so many people who are already conflicted and have their own issues. So that is not a good picture at all. Anyway, I have already peeled my potatoes. Here are the potatoes that I have peeled. So I'm just gonna put them aside and go make my garlic, just crush my garlic. And first of all, just want to just cut them into smaller pieces so that when grinding it becomes easier. So I'm just going to grind this so that to make smaller pieces out of this. So guys, once more, if you've reached here and you haven't subscribed, kindly do so, because I really need your subscription. And you can also just like this video if you like it. Whew. Perhaps I'll also add just a little bit of coriander here. I've already washed just a little bit, but the rest I'll just put it in the mixture. So ladies and gentlemen out there, can we just love one another? Can we just love one another? Now this life is short, so don't make somebody's experience in this world traumatic. Let's love one another. This pestle and mortar is so good. So next thing I want to do right now is to chop my potatoes into small pieces to bhajia. So I have my warus here. In a few minutes, this will be bhajia. So I have already prepared the warus. So the next thing I want to do right now is to prepare some, what should I call it? Just want to prepare some mixture that I will be dipping these bhajias in, so that I get, this is what I was grinding, some garlic and coriander, and I'm just going to transfer it into this bowl. This will give it that nice smell that bhajias normally have. And I'm just going to to pour in a glass of water. Should I use warm water? Cold water. Let me just use cold water, just 1 glass. Don't know if this one will be. And just add this small one here to get the remaining ingredients. You can also use hot water if you wish, but this is just nice. So far what I have is this. Don't know if you can see it, but this is what I have. My coriander is here. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to add food color. I want the color of bhajia to change. This is egg yellow. So just add here. I don't know how much you're supposed to add, but let me just keep adding, seeing what I'll get. Ooh. This is how it looks like. I haven't removed these things since I bought it. But anyway, so this is how it looks like. So I'm going to add some baking flour inside to just make it heavy and ensure that whatever I'm preparing goes as planned. If there's need to add water, I'll just add it. But for now, it's not. Oh, I need to add some salt as well. Let me just add some salt. Not too much, just a little. Just a little bit of salt. I almost forgot that we need some salt in this mixture. Because salt is important in any food. This is how it looks like. We are getting into the next step because so far my warus are almost ready. They are done, ready to be cooked. And my mixture, as you can see, is also well done. It's heavy. It has my coriander, and it has garlic, and it has that nice smell. That's just what I want to use in this one. And what I'm going to do right now is just dip these potatoes inside this mixture and then go prepare my oil so that we can start cooking these bhajias. Just going to put in the first batch because I'm going to cook it twice because it's a lot, like 2 rounds of it. So once I dip it, I'm just going to mix around my bhajias. This is how it looks like, and yes, just mix around. Okay, so let me leave this one here and go prepare my gas. My gas is down there, so let me just go prepare the oil and I'll show you how this goes. So that's my oil. I suppose it's almost ready. Let me just taste one of the bhajias and see. Wrong calculation. Not ready yet. Perhaps it is, I don't know. Let me just pour in. So this is how the bhajias have turned out to be. So still there as well, and here they look so yummy. Look at that. I'm going to feast on this one. Look at how amazing this looks. So yummy. Quite good. I'm going to congratulate myself because it is so yummy. Some of them are crunchy and that taste of garlic is there and it makes it so nice. So guys, what are you waiting for? You can go prepare the same thing and enjoy your meal. Yes. If you've reached this point and you've been following through and perhaps you did not know how to prepare these bhajias, it is this simple and your final result will be this amazing. So I will stop this video here because I believe you've already seen how it looks like, how amazing it is, and I bet you it is also as delicious as it looks like. And you can eat the bhajias with whatever you want. Yes, so kindly don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can also like and share with your friends so that they can enjoy. And as well, you can also try this recipe at your own house. So with that, bye bye.